Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to take a quick training on differences between collision coverage and comprehensive coverage in personal auto insurance. First, let's see what do you mean by collision coverage. By definition, collision coverage pays for damage to your car that happens as a result of a crash. If you see this example, say you drive a car and then you hit another car, then you need to use your collision coverage to kind of cover your car losses. Say you drive your car and there was a damage and you need to repair your car and it's going to cost you $2,000 or $3,000. Then you go and use your collision coverage. Or you drive your car and then you hit a stationary objects like tree or a street light. Then you use collision coverage. The name itself is going to explain. Anytime when you collide with something else, then you use collision coverage. When it comes to comprehensive, anything apart from this collision will be covered under comprehensive. If you see the definition, comprehensive car insurance pays for damages caused by something besides your car driving into something else. Like anything that happens except collision, you'll use comprehensive. Couple of examples, like say you drive your car, you are not responsible for loss or accident. A deer came and it fell on your car, right? As a result, your car is damaged. Then you can use collision comprehensive coverage. Or falling objects. If you have parked your car in your parking lot and there is a tree like branch which fall on your car and then it damages your windows, then you can use comprehensive. Or a theft, somebody have taken your car from your parking lot and you can use that. Or any kind of natural disasters, flood or winds, then you can use comprehensive coverage. Just to have a clear understanding, as I told you, anytime in a loss happens which is due to the driver's control, you use collision. Anything that is out of driver's control, basically it's comprehensive. So one thing to note here is both have individual deductible. So when you say deductible, just to explain that in detail, basically if there is a loss, what happens is insurance company wants you to pay the initial set of amount as a deductible, and then the remaining coverage will be given by the insurance company. Say if there is a loss for $2,000, and if your policy says collision deductible as 500, you need to pay that 500 first, and then the remaining 1,500 will be given by the insurance company. The same thing is applicable for comprehensive. They have their own deductible. So whatever the deductible that you select, you need to pay that upfront prior to insurance company paying you the remaining amount. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.